one, there God Himself abides. In hearts that seek His will be done, true peace and grace reside. Let pride and envy melt away, in kindness let us stand. Where love and mercy make their way, our God walks hand in hand. Oh, come, all weary, all in need, find rest within God's care. In Christ alone our souls are freed, in Him all burdens bear. With open hands and humble hearts may we His peace restore. Where love and mercy heal the wounds, our God is there once more. As branches of the living vine, we're called to serve and bless, to love each neighbor as our own, in Christ's own tenderness. In every stranger, friend or foe, God's face is shining clear. Where love and mercy guide our path, the Lord Himself is near. O Father, Spirit, Holy Son, bind us in love's embrace, and may we walk as Christ has shown, in mercy, truth, and grace, until that day we stand as one at heaven's peaceful shore, where love and mercy ever reign. Our God shall reign ever.